Okay, hi. Now let's make number 5. Again, it's same interval from 0 to 2 pi, considering 0 inclusively and excluding the 2 pi. Okay, that's what it means that in terminology. The exercise is going to be like this. 4 sine of x times cosine of x equals square root of 3. Well, I already left in here. We're going to use this property in here. Okay, it's going to be this one. It is sine of 2x equals 2 sine cosine. Why? Because we just have sine cosine here. It's the only one we could use. Okay, I mean the best option would be to use that one. And I'm going to write, but I'm not going to substitute straight on. I'm going to prepare this one a little bit differently. This is going to be 2 times 2 sine of x times cosine of x equals square root of 3. And what is going to be this one? 2 sine of x cosine of x. This is exactly this in here, okay? It is exactly this one. So this is going to be exactly sine of 2x. Now I just have to throw the 2 down here, square root of 3 divided by 2. Well, we don't need any more this one. Let me just remove. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, now I always like to write. I don't write. I'm going to write so you understand how to memorize this. If you already didn't, okay. So this is going to be the sine, and this is going to be the cosine. And how are we going to excuse me, how are we going to fill in this table? This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Always divided by 2. And put the square root. Well, I don't need to put square root in here. Well, the sine, it is square root of 3 divided by 2. So we are interested in this one. This one is our interest. But acknowledge something. Whenever we're working with sine and cosines, we just have to be cautious. This is going to be the cosine, this is going to be the sine. And we have to acknowledge something. If the sine, it is square root of 3 divided by 2, let's suppose it's something like in here, okay? So we are going to have 2 positions. This one, this angle and that angle, both are going to give us the same sine. So this is going to be one angle. Let's call it theta 1. And we are also going to have another angle that it is also going to give us a sine of square root of 3 divided by 2. We have 2 values in here. They are supplementary, okay, to each other. Now, if we just sine of 2x, it is this. Therefore, 2x, it is going to be theta 1 or theta 2. Is going to be theta 1 or it is going to be theta 2. And theta 2, it is 120 degrees, and theta 1, it is just 60 degrees. Okay, they both have to add 180 degrees because they are supplementary. Okay, now if theta 1, it is that, okay, x is going to be half that. So we're going to have 2 values for x. Let's put in here. So x, it is going to be just 30 degrees, or x, it is going to be just 60 degrees. Okay, well, I'm going to ignore this x in here. Let me just erase this one. Okay, now our answer would be, I'm going to put this one in radians, because that's how it was presented to us. Now this is going to be this is going to be the smallest one. So this is going to be pi over 6, and this is going to be pi over 3. So that is the answer. Okay, straightforward. No needs, okay, to continue with any further explanation. Anything, okay, you just ask me, but it's as simple as that.